Most traders are focusing on the wrong thing, right? They miss the A plus entry and
Looking for a 15-minute fair value gap. The first step is I'm looking for the interaction zone. So I want to see price reacting here and I want to see price reacting here. Reacts at this area. So first of all, we see price breaking to the downside. But when we look carefully at this price action, we saw a very, very large amount of sellers over here. We saw 350 for 134. We saw 432 for 129. So we see a significant number of sellers that are failing to drive the price lower. Now, when price breaks above the zone and comes back into it, we want to understand what's going on over here. This comes back in and then breaks to the upside. The truth of the matter comes in understanding what is going on over here. Now, price, when it comes into the zone, we see a very, very large amount of aggressive sellers. In fact, if we read the order flow, we see 611 for 374, we see 304 for 149, and then we see 13 for 0. So we see a significant number of aggressive sellers compared to the aggressive buyers. In fact, over here we see 2K for 1K. So we see double the amount of sellers than we do buyers. But despite that, the market is still able to find an area of support. So this is what confirms the fair value gap to be strong because the sellers over here have failed to drive price lower. This is what gives us the indication to take longs in the first place. So if you're trading an entry model and you're not using the order flow, this is probably the reason your strike rate is lower than it should be.